because
I chose your side, but you kept going.
He's going to rot it.
No,
I
sure.
promise him. I promise him I'm going to do everything I can to make sure he suffers in this life.
I went home to report myself. I told Big Boy, I'm not going to be stupid enough to lie. I cannot sleep with Prince. I poured water on the side on his bed.
Dear Jesus.
When you drop it, I'm dropping it. Think about it.
Overreacting, relax. What do you want to do? Our room or the room where kid is? Okay.
Brother.
You are immediately disqualified from the Big Brother house. Leave the Big Brother house immediately.
I'm sorry to you, Big Brother, and I'm sorry to everybody.
Time and time again, you have been advised to use your time in Big Brother's house judiciously. You have been given freedom to express yourselves as long as it is within the confines of the rules of the house. Yet, time and time again, you err. You go against the rules.
So I'm not bothered to anything about you, Lekon. Stop talking about me. I'm sure you have other kids going in this house. Idiot.
Okay, sorry, I'm just... Yeah, come on.
Finally. Honestly, I don't care.
You have a house. Yeah, come on.
I honestly don't care.
But you're safe.
Because outside this house, I will kill you. Idiot.
Erica.
Yes, Big Brother.
Disrespecting the head of House Lounge and the rules set by Big Brother is disrespect to Big Brother. Erica.
Yes, Big Brother.
You are immediately disqualified from the Big Brother house. Leave the Big Brother house immediately.
I'm sorry to you, Big Brother, and I'm sorry to everybody.